How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all doing well. Special hi to all the kids. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Pikachu. But before we get started, I want to say a special hi to Evan. Hi, Evan. This video was made especially for you, so let's get into it. Alright kids, so today we're going to draw Pikachu. So what you want to start off with is Pikachu's eyes. And we're going to draw two circles. So one circle right here. Okay, and then we're going to draw another circle right about here. And when you draw those circles, we're going to draw a circle inside this circle. One here, and then on this side we're going to draw it right here. And these are called reflective lights. And then we just want to color this in. And then we want to color this in. So right now you should have something that looks like that. And then we're going to draw a little dot like that for Pikachu's nose. And then his mouth is basically a U shape on this side and then a U shape on that side. So start right here and we're just going to go out. And we're going to do the same thing. Start here and then we're going to go out. So you should have that. Okay? And now on the top, you want to make a line that goes kind of like a half circle on the top. So start right about here, and you want to just do a half circle. And then on his left side, we're going to start right here. We're just going to make a line that goes out a little bit, comes in, goes out, and then it comes in. So I'll show you once you get that done. So start here, so it goes out, comes in, goes out, and then it comes in, and then come all the way in to about right there. And we're going to do the same line but on this side. So start here, so come out and come in and come out and then come all the way in. So you should have something that looks like that. And then Pikachu has these little circular red shapes right by his mouth. So we're going to do a circle inside here. Okay, and then we're going to do another circle right here. Now we're going to draw Pikachu's ears. So you want to start right here, and you want to come out, and then you want to come back in. So we're going to make kind of like an arch. So we start here, we make an arch. And then when we get here, we just bring this arch back and we come in. Right? It's a little thin right there. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So his ears should come from here and they should come out. Right? So start on this side. Arch. Okay? Then from here, we just arch it back. And if this line is a little short, we can just extend it in because it's supposed to go kind of past it. So it's supposed to come past a little bit. And then he has this little black piece on his ear. So we just come down like this, and then we're just going to color this in. And we're going to do the same thing on this side, but we're going to come this way. From this side, we're going to come down. So from here, we're going to come down a little bit, and then we're going to color this. Right, now we're going to have him maybe lifting his hands up. So for his hands, you want to start right here. So we got to draw his arms first. So we draw his arms out. And then we're going to draw this part, the top of his arm, we're going to draw it out like this. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to draw this part out. And then we're going to draw this part in a little bit like that. Okay? Then when you get here, we're going to draw his hands. So his hands are basically little triangles. So triangle, 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 and triangle. So you got his hands. Same thing on this side. Make a triangle, and then triangle, 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 and triangle. So you have his hands coming up like this, right? So when you get to about here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the rest of his body. So his body should come out. So it's gonna be another curving line like this. And we stop just like that. And the same thing on this side. Come down, come out, and we stop, just like that. Once you get there, we're gonna draw Pikachu's feet. So his feet are basically like an oval. So you start here, and we come up, and we come down, and then we come up. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So we come up, come down, and then we come up. So you should have something that looks like that. And then we're gonna connect these two lines, but don't connect them straight. What you wanna do is, you wanna come up a little bit like that. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna come a little bit below this line. So maybe this line should be up a little bit. So come below this line, and we're gonna come up, and then we're gonna go up. And when we get halfway, we start coming back down. Coming back down, and there. So you should have something that looks like that. And then we have to draw Pikachu's feet, his toes. So we just draw two lines, 1, 2, and then same thing on this side. 1, 2. So now you have Pikachu's feet and Pikachu's arms. Now we gotta do the most important part of Pikachu, which is his tail, right? His really fun tail. So his fun tail, we're just gonna start right here, and we're gonna go, we're gonna go straight out from here. Out. Okay? And once you get there, you're gonna come down. And then we're gonna bring this in. Okay? And then this part's gonna come out. And then it's gonna come in. And it's gonna come out. And it's gonna come in. Okay? And then his tail, it connects like this. So right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little part right here, and then we're gonna draw this part, because the tail connects like this. And you can't really see the back part because it comes through behind Pikachu. So that's kind of how it is. And then we gotta start coloring Pikachu. So for colors, we can do, let's see, let's do Pikachu on the bottom has like a shadow, so we should do kind of like an orangey color on the bottom over here. Because if you do this, it looks more 3D. It looks actually like a full Pikachu, not a flat one. So just color this in. This is called shading. Shade it in. Make it look like it has some texture and depth. And then right here, he's got a little bit of an orange shadow. So Pikachu has an orange shadow right there, right below the mouth. Oh, you know what? I actually forgot something. Because Pikachu should have the mouth coming down and the tongue. Sorry about that. And then inside here should be black. Now Pikachu is yelling and smiling and laughing. Okay? And then you want to color this part because it's a red. I like that red color. It looks really nice. What do you guys think? Does it look pretty nice? I think it looks pretty good. And then we can color the tongue. Pink. And then Pikachu has this little design right here, right on the tail. Kind of looks like that. Okay? And then now the rest of Pikachu is just yellow. So I'm just gonna use this yellow crayon. Color Pikachu as fast as I can. Alright, now there you have it, Pikachu. Alright kids, that was Pikachu, and I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you next time. And remember to let your light shine. Bye!